Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few sums related to forming expressions from word expressions. Answer the following. Take Sarita's present age to be y years. What will be her age 5 years from now? 5 years from now means it's future, means she has grown up, which means we have to add 5 years. So y plus 5. It would be y plus 5. What was her age 3 years back? Means 3 years in past, which means from current age we need to subtract 3. Y minus 3. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. 6 times. Times means multiplication. So 6 multiplied by y. But we don't show multiplication sign. So we'll write 6y. Grandmother is 2 years younger to grandfather. Younger means less age. Less means we have to subtract from grandfather's age. So what is grandfather's age? It is 6y. And 2 years younger means minus 2. That is the grandmother's age. Now here, please remember, we are not talking directly using y, but we are using 6y, which is grandfather's age. Because the relation given is between grandmother and grandfather. That's why we had used grandfather's age and subtracted 2. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. 5 years more. So plus 5. 5 years more than what? More than 3 times Sarita's age. 3 times means 3 into y. Times is multiplication. So her father's age is 3y plus 1. Let's do the next one. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. What is the length if the breadth is b meters? So it is 4 meters less, means 4 minus 4. From 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. 3 times b. Breadth is b. 3 times b. So length is equal to 3b minus. A rectangular box has a height of h centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 times less than the length. Express the length and breadth of the box in terms of height. So length will L. L is 5 times the height. 5 times the height. So 5 into h, which is 5h. And B is breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Than length. Less means minus 10. Minus 10 than the length. Than 5h. So breadth is 5h minus 10. Meena, Beena, Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Okay, Meena is at step S. So let's talk about Beena. So we want to talk about Beena and we want to talk about Leena also. Beena is 8 steps ahead and Leena is 7 steps behind. 8 steps ahead means plus S, plus 8. And Leena is 7 steps behind, minus 7. The total number of steps to the hill top is 10 less than 4 times Meena has reached. So total steps. 10 less than. 10 less than means minus 10. 10 less than what? 4 times 4 multiplied by what Meena has reached. Meena has reached S. So 10 less than 4s. That is the total steps. A bus travels at v km per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 km. What is the distance between them? Express using v. So now we know distance is equal to speed into time. So how much the bus has traveled till now? So bus has traveled, its speed is 5 v km per hour and it has traveled for 5 hours. So into 5. So bus has traveled distance 5v kilometers. But that is not the distance between Daspur and Bispur. The distance between Daspur and Bispur is still something different, because Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. So the bus should travel 20 more kilometers to reach Bispur, and therefore is equal to the current distance traveled plus 20, 5e plus 20 kilometers. Let's do the next one. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. For example, given Salim scores R runs in cricket match, Nalin scores R plus 15 runs. In ordinary language, we'll say Nalin scores 15 runs more than Salim. So here, a notebook costs rupees P, a book costs rupees 3p. And that means the book is costing 3 times the notebook. So if notebook costs P, this will be 3p. That's what it is. Tony puts Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in his box. So he has put only Q marbles on the table, whereas he has 8 times Q marbles in the box. So Tony has 8 times the marbles he puts on table. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. So school has 20 times the student our class has. Jaggu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. So Jaggu's uncle is 4 times Jaggu's age. And his aunt is 4Z minus 3. So uncle is 4Z, aunt is 4Z minus 3, means aunt is 3 years younger to uncle.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.